Okay guys, I dey very frustrated. You see me na don late finish. I order car for Lagos for the past 2 weeks now. The car never reach my hand. You know understand? And now, carry the camera for. Wetin be this? Na keke be this. See the keke man for here. And they don call me now say the car don dey Delta State too. If you look at now, dey the heart of Warri, Delta State. You know understand? And they come say Gehgeh, the car don land o. Come carry the car. So I wan go now. Make we see. You know that because I don't tire like this now. So I dey very frustrated now. Let's go see the car. More they go before traffic. But if there's no second get there now, everybody go traffic. So if I spend more than 2 minutes for here now, crowd go full this place. That's the love they have for me, Delta State. You know that someone go see the car. You know that someone will go carry the car. I dey inside Gehgeh. They go carry car worth millions of naira. Not be 50 million, not be 100 million. Get the type of car when I buy on the comment section. Jesus. Bro, Atasa. Carry the camera go. You see everything now. Tell me congratulations. I'm so happy. You know understand? Open the book for me. Open the book. So tell me congratulations. I'm just so happy. When I'll see more videos, I'm so happy. Let's go. Liverpool. Well, now, congratulations, Caracom. See, what is your dance? No way. See amo. First place to buy me for. Thank you, I appreciate it. Don't be lying. That's so my God.